In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a Tinkercad design. Now, if you're trying to save it here on the platform, so inside your account, it's actually super simple because you don't even have to do anything. It's going to automatically save every few seconds. So if I add like this cube over here, as you can see, it's going to be added on here. And if I now go back to the Home tab, so the Tinkercad dashboard in the top left over here, you'll see that this has been automatically saved. I can now open it back up and I can basically go on from where I finished off, okay? Which is quite convenient. But if you want to save it somewhere else, like maybe onto your computer or somewhere else, if you want to go to your computer and you want to save it onto your computer, so export it, click on export the top right over here, and you can then go and export it however you want, like maybe for 3D print or for laser cutting or whatever. And of course here you can do download or 3D print, and then in here you can then select, of course, if you want to take it further with Autodesk or something similar. So that's the first way to do it. Just click on whichever one you want and it's going to download like this as a zip folder. Now the second way is to click on the send to button top right, and then from here you can get a picture of your design. You could also go and of course connect with Autodesk, or you could send to Google. So you can also save this inside Google Drive or Google Classroom, and then over here you also have different 3D communities and services, okay? So those are all the ways to save your designs. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.